Hello viewers, ready to master the art of bubble lettering? In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to draw bubble letters from P to V. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to improve your lettering skills, this video is perfect for you. In the course of the drawing, we will learn how to shape each letter with bold, rounded edge. Keep your letters balanced and fun. Add style and creativity to your writing. Be sure to check out my other videos for letters A to O. Without much ado, let's jump into the drawing. For the letter P, smooth and round bubble for the top curves. Think of a balloon wrapped around a stick. That's how you get your bubble letter P. You can see what I'm doing, how I'm following the curves, trying to get the perfect curve for the letter P. You can see what we got here. Next is the letter Q. Q is just like the letter O with a tail. That tiny line at the bottom gives its character. Take a look at what I'm doing. Here I have the letter Q. For R, starts like the P, but we add a fun leg kicking out. Almost like R is running. X is curvy and twisty. Take your time to get those curves nice and even. As you already know, bubble letter requires a careful drawing. You don't need to rush it. Just have to take it easy to get the perfect shape you desire. Moving over to the next line, the letter T is simple but bold. Make sure your top line is nice and bubbly. You can see what I'm doing. Everything about bubble letter is pop. They are all poppy like a balloon. For the letter U, watch how I move my pencil to get the curves. You can see how I'm moving my pencil to form the letter U. That's perfect. Watch the similarities between the letter V and U. V has sharp corners compared to others. When drawing V, soften them slightly to keep the bubble style alive. This is the end of the drawing. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please do well to like, comment your favorite letters and subscribe to the channel for more creative drawing tutorials like this.